with us. I will continue chapter 5, that is separation of substances. We read what is threshing, what is hand picking, what is winnowing, what is sieving. Okay. Now we have to read activity 4. What is given in activity 4? We have to make a fine powder of chalk pieces and mix it with the flour. Now both the components are in powder form. Okay, chalk pieces are also in powder form and flour is also in powder form. Then how we can separate the flour and powder chalk by sieving? If we want to separate it, how we can do this? So sieving is used when components of a mixture have different sizes. So sieving is a process by which we can separate impurities which is present in powder form particles. So sieving is used to separate impurities like some solids, stones, husks from the flour. But if we want to remove chalk pieces from the flour, so is it possible to remove chalk pieces from the floor? No, because both are in powdered form. If we sieve both of them, then we don't get impurities. Okay, we get fine powder of chalk pieces as well as flour. Okay, then sieving is by doing this activity, we get that sieving is used when components of mixture have different sizes. So, what is sieving? Sieving removes pieces of stones, stalks and hulls that may still remain with weight after threshing and winnowing. But if we want to separate powdered form of chalk pieces and flour, then it is not possible by doing this process. So, which process is used to separate them? Next topic, next method of separation is sedimentation, decantation and filtration. So, what is sedimentation, decantation and filtration? We will read in this chapter. Sometimes it may not be possible to separate component of mixture by winnowing or hand picking. Sometimes it is not possible that we can separate different components of a mixture by using the process winnowing and hand picking. हैंड पिकिंग या विनोइंग में यूज करके कुछ मिक्सचर को ऐसे मिक्सचर को हम सेपरेट नहीं कर सकते. इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू सेपरेट देम. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू, फॉर एग्जांपल देयर मे बी लाइटर impurities like dust or soil particles in rice or pulses. Sometimes some impurities like dust or soil particles present in rice and pulses. So how we can remove it? So how are such impurities separated from rice or pulses before cooking? Before cooking, खाना बनाने से पहले साफ करते हैं दाल और चावल को. So how we can separate that impurities? Because the dust or soil particles may be lighter impurities. So how we can separate it? We will read it this topic. Rice or pulses are usually washed before cooking. So before cooking, we just wash rice and pulses. When you add water to these, the impurities like dust particles get separated. When we wash rice or pulses by using water, then the impurities like dust particles or any lighter impurities, it gets separated. Okay, these impurities go into water. Where does it go? It goes into the water. When we wash rice and pulses with water, then the lighter impurities go into the water. Now, what will sink to the bottom of vessel? Bottom means down. ठीक है? Top क्या होता है? जैसे bottle है आपकी. If it is a bottle, ठीक है? तो ये वाला portion, this is the top portion, and this one is the bottom portion. Okay? Top ऊपर होता है, bottom नीचे होता है. So, what will sink to the bottom of the vessel? Rice or dust? Now you have to find out when we water, then which substance sink at the bottom, sink to the bottom of vessels. ठीक है, which substance मतलब कौन सी चीज आपकी बॉटम पे नीचे आपकी इकट्ठा हो जाएगी. Why and क्यों होगी? Have you seen that the vessels is tilted to pour out dirty water? Have you seen? आपने देखा है that vessels is tilted to pour out dirty water. The vessels is tilted means अगर आपने ये प्लेट लिया है, you have taken a plate, then you tilt it like this. ठीक है, आप अभी कभी see your mother when your mother washed rice and pulses before cooking, she tilt the plate like this. इस तरह से चाय नहीं धुलती है. If she want to throw the water from the rice and pulses, then she tilt the plate like this. इस तरह से प्लेट टिल्ट कर देगा तब यहाँ से आपका क्या होता है? Then the flow of water takes place. तब आपका water क्या होता है? Flow करता है. And rice and pulses settle at the bottom. यहाँ पे आपके जो rice and pulses हैं, they settle at to the bottom of the vessel. Why they settle to the bottom of the vessel? Because they are heavier particles. Heavier particles. They are heavier particles. That's why they settle to the bottom of vessel. And dust particles go into the water. Why they go into the water? Because they are lighter particles. Yes. They are lighter particles. That's why they get washed off by the water. Okay. So if we wash rice or pulses before cooking and then we tilt the plate, if the dust particles go into the water and the heavier particles settle into the bottom of the vessels. It means we can separate impurities by doing this process. Okay? So when the heavier components in a mixture settles after water is added to it, the process is called sedimentation. Now, what is sedimentation? When the heavier particles in a mixture settle to the bottom of the vessel. Okay? Then this process is called sedimentation. It means this process is called sedimentation. And what is sedimentation? Sedimentation means the heavier particles present in a mixture. Let me speak. The heavier particles which settle at the bottom in sedimentation, heavier particles settle to the bottom of the vessel, and dust particles like soil, anything else, lighter particles go into the water. This process is called sedimentation. This is how we can separate heavier and lighter particles. Now, what is decantation? When the water along with dust is removed. When we remove the water which contain dust particles, then this process is called decantation. Means this water is removed from the rice. It means this process is called decantation because it contains impurities along with water. Okay? So sedimentation, separation of heavier and lighter particles. Decantation means separation of water along with dust particles. This process is called decantation. Is it clear to all of you? Yes. Beta, oil is insoluble substance because oil, when we mix oil into the water, then it forms separate layer. And the surface of water is lighter than black paper is lighter than water. Yes. Okay. So we know what is sedimentation and what is decantation. See figure फिगर 5.8, फिगर 5.8, ठीक है, 5.8 दिया गया है. फर्स्ट we read it, after that we see figure. Let us find few other mixture that can be separated through sedimentation and decantation. Now we have to find some other mixture which we can separate by using this process. The same principle is used for separating a mixture of two liquids that do not mix with each other. So by sedimentation and decantation, we can separate mixture of two liquids that do not mix with each other. And we can separate mixture of two liquids that do not mix with each other. So I will give you an example that we can mix two liquids which do not mix with each other. Means if we mix oil into water, okay, oil और water को mix करते हैं तो दोनों क्या होते हैं, soluble in the oil makes separate layer on the surface of water. This is the oil, it's oil और ये water, ठीक है. Oil makes a separate layer on the surface of water. They do not mix with water. It is insoluble. It is insoluble. Insoluble in water. Okay. So it makes a separate layer. So we can separate oil and water by sedimentation and check your network data. We can separate mixture of two liquids that do not mix with each other by sedimentation or decantation. For example, oil and water. If we mix oil and water, then oil makes a separate layer on the surface of water. Okay, and if we allow the mixture to stand for some time, then they form separate layer. Two separate layer बन जाएगी. Like this, water makes separate layer, oil makes separate layer. There are two layers. This one layer, first layer, okay, and this one is the second layer. It forms two layers. So the component that form the top layer can then be separated by decantation. So we can separate the topmost layer, and the topmost layer is oil, okay, by decantation. Decantation means if we tilt the glass, अगर हम ग्लास का ऐसा टिल्ट कर दें, ठीक है, then water settle at the bottom and oil क्या हो जाएगा आपका, ये हम बाहर निकाल दें, ठीक है, oil आपका बाहर आ जाएगा और water आपका ग्लास में settle हो जाएगा, ठीक है. So this by doing decantation we can separate oil and water. We can separate mixture of two liquids which are insoluble. So let us again consider a mixture of solid and liquid. Now how we can separate solid and liquid by doing decantation. So after preparing tea, what do you do to remove the tea leaves? जब टी बनाते, चाय बनाते हैं, so we remove tea leaves from it. हम टी लीव्स वहाँ से अलग कर देते हैं by using strainer का यूज करके. So why you do this? अब हम ये क्यों करते हैं? Usually we use strainer to remove tea leaf. अब हम क्या करते हैं, टी लीव्स को अलग करने के लिए we use strainer का यूज करते हैं. स्ट्रेनर आपको पता है क्या होता है? Yes. Usually we use strainer to remove tea leaves. हम strainer यूज करते हैं टी लीव्स रिमूव करने के लिए. Try decantation. Now we can also try decantation process to remove tea leaves from the liquid. ठीक है, आप टी लीव जो चाय बनाते हो उसमें decantation का भी यूज करके हम जो टी लीव्स होती है उससे अलग कर सकते हैं without using strainer. It हेल्प्स अ लिटिल, लेकिन ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं होता, ये थोड़ा ही हेल्प करता है. बट डू यू स्टिल गेट अ फ्यू लीव्स इन योर टी? बाय डूइंग डिकेंटेशन we can get few leaves in our tea. Decantation process is good, but ये separate करता है two liquid को. Solid और liquid के separation में जो आपने सेकेंडली कुछ आपने जैसे आप स्ट्रेनर से करोगे, अगर चाय की पत्ती को अलग करोगे टी लीव्स तो आपका पूरा लिक्विड लिक्विड मिलेगा. लेकिन अगर डिकेंटेशन करते हैं so we get few leaves in our tea. So now pour the tea through a strainer. अब यही process we can do the same process by using the strainer. Did all tea leaves remain in the strainer? क्या आपकी सारी टी लीव्स strainer में रह जाएंगे? This process is called filtration. इस process को क्या कहेंगे? Filtration. In filtration we get pure liquid, only liquid. Filtration में we get only liquid. लेकिन decantation में we get some tea leaves into it, in it. ठीक है? अगर हम स्ट्रेनर का यूज करते हैं तो सारे टी लीव्स हट जाएंगे. बट इफ वी ट्राई डिकेंटेशन देन we still get a few leaves in our tea.
विश्व बराबर अनम्यूट कर दे रहा है आपको क्यों?
इसमें क्या है ना?
ठीक है ना, सॉरी.
So see figure 5.8. Separating two components of a mixture by sedimentation and decompression. Decantation. So decantation and sedimentation का use करके we can separate two components of mixture. Here you will see there the mixture of soil and water. So how we can separate it? Soil settles down at the bottom of glass. If we tilt the glass and pour water into another glass, then we get that soil settle at the bottom of the glass and water is separated into another glass. ठीक है? वाटर आपका अलग ग्लास में आ जाएगा और सॉइल जो होगा वो नीचे सेटल हो जाएगा ग्लास में और वो आपके सेपरेट ग्लास में रहेगा. ठीक है? दिस इज हाउ वी कैन सेपरेट सॉइल एंड वाटर